This may happen with any one of us. Sometime we send email to wrong person, or let's say you forget the attachment or spotted a terrible mistake. Well, to handle such scenario, Outlook have a special feature called recall message, or how you can unsend your sent email, which is great, but there are certain conditions for it to work flawlessly. And in this video, I am going to show you how we can recall our Outlook message, and I will be also demonstrating you what happened, let's say, when you send this message to a Gmail client. Well, first of all, let me tell you, this recall functionality or feature worked flawlessly when it comes to Outlook email, because Outlook understands the syntax of another Outlook, or because both of them are Microsoft technology. However, when we talk about, let's say, you are sending that same message to other platform, for example Gmail, then things change a little bit. So now let's see actually how this Outlook recall work. First of all, if you are using new version of Outlook, you may not see that feature. So please make sure that you are using classic version of Outlook. So here, if I type Outlook, I do have both of these versions available, new or modern versus Outlook Classic. And then in Outlook Classic, you're gonna see this option which says try new Outlook. So make sure this is disabled. I do not know why they still have not added this recall functionality in the newer version of Outlook. Now I'm gonna click here on new email, and let's say I would like to send email to the following person, and this is my content. And let me show you side by side. So this is my Gmail and this is my Outlook. So when we click on send, I should see the message appear here. Yeah, and then you can see this new message. So now let's say the same message here I want to recall. So what I need to do is, first of all, we need to go to sent item and then need to open the email that I would like to recall. Now here we need to click on these three dots and then go to action, and then here this option says recall this message. Let's click on it. Now here you're going to see these two options, which is delete the unread copy of this message, and then second is delete the unread copy of this message and replace with new message, or it's more of editing. So this is more of like you can update your existing message. All right, so here we can go with any one of these, and then it also says that tell me if recall succeed or fail for each recipient. So this is really great, because the last option or this checkbox kind of also checks whether the sent email was opened by recipient or not. So it can also check that particular thing as well. But as I said, all these options will work flawless when it comes to Outlook, and especially in case of Office 365 for enterprises. However, in this case, I just recalled this message. I may not able to recall it in a way that we can do in case of Office Outlook. So here you can see I still can open my previous email, but if somebody is aware of this terminology, which is recall, then the person who is receiving this email in Gmail will understand that this message was recalled. So there is no meaning of reading of this message. So this is how it happened when it comes to Gmail. However, when it goes to Outlook, the messages are recalled successfully. And not only recalled, but the sender can also get notified that how many people have read that message. So this was recall functionality or unsend functionality inside Microsoft Outlook. Hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. If you have got any kind of doubt or question related to this recall feature or functionality, please do let us know in comment down below. I will definitely try to help you out with that. And please make sure you subscribe to Technoholic for more such office productivity tutorials, and I will get you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.